drunken sailor? What shall we do with the drunken sailor? What shall we do with the drunken sailor early in the morning?
There you are. There's your good baby. Hi, I'm Paul Bennett. This is my little Budette Gidget. She likes to help me on some of my projects. The video I'm doing now, it's a bandsaw, portable bandsaw table. There's been a lot of those on YouTube. You'll see them all over the place. They're pretty basic. It's very simple. The only difference between mine and the other ones you've seen on YouTube is I'm putting together some drawings with some measurements so that for those of you out there, my subscribers that like to go by drawings when they're building things, you'll have it as a reference. In terms of engineering, it's just a very simple table. The sizes and so forth involved had to do with scrap material that I had around the shop. In the description below the video, you'll find a link to where you can find the free set of drawings. I don't charge for the drawings that I put up on YouTube, for those of you who know me. Gidgie's all ready to go.